Environment Agency analysis shows that 5.2 million homes in England are at risk of flooding. But recent analysis bring that figure to 1 in every 4 homes is at risk of flooding.
Your home is annihilated by filthy, stenching floodwater. And people think floodwater may be blue, but it's brown.
Before we bought the property, we did know there was air flood risk, and I did speak to neighbours to find out how bad that was. We didn't expect it to be as dramatic as it is, but it was 8 months we were out of the property for.
As insurers, we see firsthand the devastation that flood claims can cause our customers. And therefore, as an industry, if we can do something to prevent a future event, why wouldn't you?
Flood-Re is a joint initiative between the UK government and the insurance industry, and we exist to make home insurance more affordable and more available for those people whose homes are at the very highest risk of flooding. And as a consequence, they pay cheaper premiums for the home insurance. Build Back Better is a necessary step forward.
As an industry, we spend over £40 million a day settling home and motor claims. And therefore, it's in our power to start positively affecting how homes are both protected from floods, and Build Back Better is a great opportunity to bring that to life for our customers, but also influence buildings, building materials, and actually the resolution to flood claims as well. And so collectively, as an industry, I think we can play our part in the prevention, but also the protection of our customers.
Build Back Better, it's a funny phrase, Build Back Better, but is it literally? It does what it says on the tin.
The catalyst for joining the Build Back Better scheme was really threefold. One, we're living in a climate emergency as we speak. Our customers also experience that, and particularly those customers who experience flood. And thirdly, as an insurer, we really have to play our part in actually how we influence future development of property, homes, and protecting our customers moving forward.
Most people think that the Environment Agency or local authorities should stop flooding. It's not their responsibility, and it's something that I found out that actually I am the one that's responsible for protecting my home.
I think we all have a responsibility to prepare for climate change, and that involves making sure that your homes are flood resilient, which means that they can bounce back after a flood. We had solid floors downstairs all through except this room that we're in now, so we had that dug out and a concrete floor put in. Then we had it sealed, and then we had tiles put down and had those sealed as well. And we also had the plugs lifted higher as well, so we've got more time to actually have the electricity on before we have to turn it off in a flood, because the plugs are just out of the water level a little bit longer. We did flood in February before the pandemic in 2020, and we were back in the house within 24 hours because we were able to brush the water out, disinfect it, and have the fire on and drying.
I think the Build Back Better scheme will add to the customer experience in a number of ways. Firstly, I think it takes the insurer beyond just fixing that event, that moment in time, and actually helps to offer protection against future events. And secondly, I think it plays its part in the wider community and expectation that our customers will have around protecting the environment as we move through the coming years. And put simply, if it costs insurers less to settle a claim, then that should feed back into the price that our customers end up paying for the policy.
Let's build back better.
Let's build back better.
Let's build back better.